বানাবো একটা DIY ক্যালেন্ডার।
If you thought the first part of this calendar was beautiful, trust me, the upcoming months will touch your heart even more. Because each page is not just an art, it's a memory, a reason, a feeling. So don't skip. Your favorite month might be next. Let's move ahead with the next month of our handmade calendar, June, dedicated to World Environment Day. This month made me think deeply. What kind of world are we leaving behind? That's why the illustration focus on nature, greenery, and sustainability. Especially because this entire calendar is handmade, it's perfectly connect with the message of protecting our environment. This page is not just art, it's a reminder that even small creation choices can make a big difference. If you believe art can spread awareness, this month is for you. I wanted every month to instantly remind you of how that time actually feels, not just how it looks. And then comes August, one of the most emotional months for every Indian. This illustration is inspired by Independence Day, representing freedom, sacrifice, and national pride. While creating this page, I was not just thinking about colors, I was thinking about the meaning behind them. The tricolor is not just a design element here, it's a feeling that connects all of us. I truly believe this is one of the strongest pages in the calendar. Let me know if you felt the same. This month is May, inspired by Buddha Purnima. When we think of May, it's not just summer, it's also a reminder to slow down. For this illustration, I choose a peaceful Buddha theme because Buddha Purnima represents inner peace, mindfulness, and balance, something we all need in our busy lives. I wanted this page to feel calming the moment you look at it, like a quick pause in the middle of the year. Tell me honestly, don't you feel a scene of calm just by looking at this page? Now we move into July, inspired by the grand festival of Rath Yatra. This month is all about faith, tradition, culture roots. Rath Yatra is not just a festival, it's an emotion for millions of people. While designing the page, I focused on movement and devotion so that the illustration feels alive. I wanted viewers to instantly recognize the festival and feel connected to our rich Indian culture. These 4 months together show how art can capture peace, responsibility, tradition, and pride all in one calendar. Seeing all the months together make me realize this calendar is not just paper and color. It's time, emotion, season, festivals, and memory, all handcrafted with love. Now I really wanted to know which month did you connect the most? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed watching this handmade calendar comes to life, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to The Crafty Paradise. Your support motivates me to create more meaningful art like this. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next creative journey. So stay tuned. Bye.